I'm Maritza, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you the November 2022 Teacher Care Crate theme and all the goodies that are inside. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and dive right in. The first thing that you will do as soon as you open your self-care crate for this month is to find the info card. The info card has all of the information that you need about each item and what's inside, as well as a QR code. If you are a subscriber or a member, you can get access to digital downloads as well as wallpapers and even coupons that are included in this month's crate. So be sure to get that information down in the description box below. Let me go ahead and share with you the theme for this month is to glow from within. It's all about your true inner beauty and to glow from within. You are the light in your soul. Be who you are. So this month's crate is filled with items to embrace your inner glow. Let's go ahead and dive right in and let me share with you all the items that are inside. The first thing I have here is the art print. The art print for this month is a Teacher's Light Sparks Little Minds with this little brain. The cute little art print there from Hello Primary Designs. It even comes with your teacher notes on the back, so you can utilize that space. The next thing I have here is a really neat item, and it is the checklist board. The checklist board has 10 additional sheets, including a magnet if you'd like to magnetize that. And it also comes with two pens. That is these two, the red and the black pen. Enough space for you to use here, and you can check it off as you go, just like this. And there is also videos in our social media if you are interested in seeing how this works as well. The next thing I have here is the hair accessory for this month. It is a glow getter hair accessory, making you feel confident. The next thing I have is the glow from within sticker for this month, and the star photo display. This is handmade, and it's a wooden photo star display. There are two stars here that are handmade. You can also see this in action in our social media. And then the next thing I have here is the Goosha facial massage. This helps to lift and to tighten around the face and increases blood circulation and also depuffs. And you can also see how this works on our social media platforms, and it also reduces fine lines. Very, very useful and handy. And it also pairs well with the next item I'm going to share with you, and that is the Dr. Botanicals Time Reverse Facial Serum. So these two paired well are very, very useful and getting the job done. I'm gonna open this up for you to see. And it looks like this. So you can use this with this to give you a facial massage. And that is all the items for the November 2022 self-care crate. Now I'm gonna hop over to show you the digital downloads that you can find as well if you are a member. So the first thing I have here is the weekly planner. You get a weekly planner with a to-do list and notes section from Monday through Saturday. There is also a calendar with also to-do and notes section. The reasons to be grateful. These are the printables, and all of these can also be printed in black and white if you would like to have them in black and white to share with your class or have them for yourself. And it comes in a couple different sections for reasons to be grateful. The weekly gratitude section from Monday through Sunday with a spot to write in the week. And a 30 days of gratitude. This one is the empty one, and this one has some ideas for inspiration. And this is the challenge, 30 day self-care challenge. And the gratitude journal. This is perfect for a printable for students or for your own students at home. And the last thing I have here is a how-to guide for your facial massage, and even giving you tips to improve that neck appearance. So it has all the how-tos, use it, and how to improve and get better face circulation as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video and are getting excited to get your November 2022 Teacher Care Crate in the mail very soon. Be sure to look for the link down in the description box and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and also are getting excited about getting some self-care crate. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!